You think your money is safe in your savings account? Think again. Every day, inflation is silently eating away at your wealth, and you don't even realize it. In this episode, we will uncover what inflation really is, how it impacts you, and what you can do to protect yourself. Make sure you watch till the end. Let's start simple. Imagine you have 100 rupee today, and you want to buy 10 packets of Maggi at 10 rupees each. Easy. But next year, the same packet costs 12 rupees. Now, with 100 rupees, you can only buy 8 packets. That difference in purchasing power, that's inflation. Inflation means prices go up and the value of your money goes down. It's measured as a percentage. For example, 6% inflation means what cost 100 rupees this year will cost 106 rupees next year. Why do we call it silent? Because it doesn't make noise. It doesn't show up on your phone. But over the years, it quietly reduces your purchasing power. That 1 lakh rupees you saved 5 years ago, today, it buys far less. As we saw in our last episode, if your money isn't growing faster than inflation, you're actually losing money while saving. And most savings accounts in India give 2.5% to 3.5% returns. But inflation? 6% to 8% or even higher in real world. Let's look at some real examples. A movie ticket in 2005 was 80 rupee, but the same ticket in 2025 is 250 rupees. A liter of petrol in 2005 was 37 rupees. Today, close to 100 rupees. That's inflation at work. Over 20 years, prices triple or quadruple. But has your salary or savings tripled too? That's the question you must start asking. If you're a salaried employee or a student just starting to save, inflation hits you the hardest. Your salary may not increase in proportion to inflation. Your emergency fund loses value every year. And if you're not investing, your savings are shrinking in real terms. Inflation also affects long-term goals like retirement. For example, if you need 1 crore rupees today to retire, in 20 years you might need over 3 crores rupees just to maintain the same lifestyle. So how do we beat inflation? Simple. Invest in assets that grow faster than inflation. 1. Equity mutual funds historically gave 10 to 12% returns per annum. 2. Stock market, high risk, high return but beats inflation over time. 3. Real estate, gold, index funds, all can offer inflation-beating returns in the long term. Even a simple SIP of 5,000 rupees per month in an equity fund can protect you and grow your money significantly. Let's wrap it up. Inflation silently reduces the value of your money. So, your savings account won't save you. To grow your wealth, you must invest smartly and consistently. Investing is not optional anymore, it is essential. The earlier you start, the more you beat inflation and build real wealth. If you learned something today, give this video a like and share it with someone who's still letting money sleep in a savings account. Subscribe to the Compounding Club, where smart money minds come to grow. In the next episode, we will see types of investments and which one is right for you. See you there.